unboxing, I ordered a Doughnut Macaroon off Poshmark, and I was going to do a comparison video of the Doughnut Macaroon and the Himawari bag that we have. So let's jump on in. So already I can tell you guys the material is a little bit different. Let's see. These are actual leather straps, whereas on the Himawari it's I want to say it's faux leather, but these are real leather. So let's get on inside. The bag feels a little softer. Here's the tag on there. And let's see, this one's a little softer too. This is also made out of leather. I just love the color. I thought it was good for summer. I'm gonna keep all my Planet Girl supplies in here. So the zipper is pretty nice, pretty smooth. I see a little snag on the zipper here, but I think it's just the stitching, which is fine. But see, it opens like butter. And inside, you do have this padded compartment, just like you do in the Himawari. And I'm trying to get a close up here. On there, you can see the Doughnut logo. So there we go. Otherwise, the inside of the bag is really pretty much the same. So you have a pocket here and a pocket here, and then you also have these pockets up here. So this one is about as deep as the other pocket, and this one as well. This one does the same thing as the other pocket. The material just seems so much smoother. I don't know how to describe that. It's a little smushier. Of course, this was used. It was gently used. So these straps are a little easier to maneuver because they are leather. So, ladies, I will get this packed up, and I will also do a Himawari comparison video. But as you can see, the leather is just really easy to maneuver. So once again, Doughnut Macaroon, and I will, when my son gets home from school, I will do a comparison video between this one and the Himawari. You guys have a great day.